Oliver and I are here for the grand reopening of Palisades Village in Pacific Palisades. This is where the famous Palisades Fire happened. You can see some of the destruction right across the street. But owner Rick Caruso, who also owns the Grove, is going to be having a grand reopening this morning. I'm sure there's going to be a lot of people, a lot of media. It's been all over the news channels that this is reopening, so we're here.
Yeah, because his whole thing was like, if you're not going to be...
Thank you. Oh, thank you.
What's his name?
This is Oliver.
Hi, Oliver. Oliver.
I figured
Hi, Oliver.
Rick Caruso's known for being dog friendly,
Yeah.
so I didn't think he'd mind if I brought my dog.
Sweet. Hi, Oliver. I loved him. I loved him. How old is Oliver?
Oliver's 3.
3?
I just adopted him in April.
Oh, congratulations.
Thanks. I had another one I adopted before that. The one I
Yeah?
had before was bigger than him.
Wow. Wow.
And he was a big star at the Grove.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Oliver's beautiful.
Thank you. All right. We'll be around. We want to
Okay.
see all the action.
All right, I'll look for you later.
Take care. Okay, here we go. Well, it certainly looks fantastic. A lot of security here. Well, that's to be expected. Wow, that's a very pretty VW. Of course, we got a little bit of music in the background, but it doesn't seem too bad. All right. Let's see. Come on. All righty. Yeah, this event's been all over the news, so I'm not surprised to see a lot of people here. So they're going to have the ribbon cutting. Let's see. You know, I think we're just about 25 minutes away from the actual ribbon cutting. So, but let's take a look around in the pre-ribbon cutting festivities here. It's great to see the Palisades getting rebuilt. I don't know if you can see kind of off in the background here, here's some of the construction happening. So there is some reconstruction, although it's been about 1.5 years since the fire. He's always willing to pose for you. Yeah, there's gonna be a ton of media here. This is a big deal of this event.
Scooby-Doo.
There you go.
Love it.
What's his name?
This is Oliver.
Hey, Oliver. How old?
He's 3.
That's unbelievable. Hey, buddy.
Yeah, absolutely.
Hey, Oliver.
This is Oliver. He's a 3-year-old Great Dane.
Oh, my goodness. Thank you.
You're very welcome.
Wow. Awesome.
Kate. Hi, Kate. Hi.
I guess at some point we'll probably see Rick Caruso. I'd love to personally thank him, you know, for being dog friendly at his properties, but I don't know if we're going to get to do that. Oh, come on. Oliver. He always likes to say hi to other dogs. He loves other dogs, but he's friendly with them. We got lots of people brought their dogs. Oh, look at that one, huh? Little tough guy there.
That's like a horse.
Yeah. Oh, thank you. That little dog's writing a check he can't cash. Let's see.
That dog was barking up a wrong way.
Yeah, this one never barks. Come on, but he wants to say hi to every dog. He doesn't understand that not all dogs want to be greeted.
Okay,
Okay. Oh, you just got slobber on the camera. Okay, I don't think it's on the lens. I think we're okay here. He just wiped his nose on it. Let me just take a look here. No, we're good. We got a clear picture here. And of course, Dad is here somewhere. He's in his cart running around. Just double check that. Oh yeah, lens is nice and clear. Hey, Eric may show up later. He expressed some interest. I said, hey, bring Rowdy. But he said, well, I don't know about the parking.
There's the ribbon. Okay, yeah. There's the ribbon right there.
That's what we thought.
So apparently this is where the ribbon is that they're going to cut. And I'm sure it's going to be Rick Caruso that's going to cut it. So.
Big dog.
Thank you.
Or his grandkids cut it.
Do you know the mayor?
Hello there.
My husband disappeared.
Probably a lot of dignitaries here.
You'll love it. Can I say hello?
Of course.
Buddy.
This is Oliver. Oliver is 3 years old.
Hi, Oliver.
Handsome Great Dane.
He's a purebred Great Dane. I rescued him.
He's
Did you
handsome.
really?
Yeah.
It's my favorite dog.
Oh, really?
Oh, God, yeah.
Yes.
Baby.
They're gentle giants.
There you go.
They're lap dogs, the biggest lap dog in the world.
Oh, yeah. Are you Mr. Caruso?
No, I'm not.
Oh, I'm sorry. Okay.
But
He's the mayor.
yeah, I know. I'm wearing a suit. Everybody thinks I'm Rick because my. But we're the honorary mayor, so we.
Ah, there you go.
Hence my suit. In other words,
There you go.
I've got shorts on.
You knew Rick from SC, though, right?
Good to see you, man. What's happening? Yeah, I knew Rick.
From SC, right?
We're gonna have another board I'm not sure, but it will be in I'll let you know the date. It'll be soon. Maybe in the next week or two.
Now look around here. Let's see if we.
Long way since
I understand.
Beautiful pup. Thank you.
Absolutely. Scooby-Doo in the flesh.
Yeah. Let's see. Now we got the little dog here who wants to act tough, so we'll give him some room. Oh yeah, lots of media over here. So this must be the media area in here. Everybody's kind of setting up. I've got the camera on a clip instead of the waist strap. I learned that one from Eric. This way, if I have to pick up the camera and move it around, I can. So I think it's going to be hard to get a good view with everybody here. We've got CBS LA, it says right on their camera over here. You got every news channel is going to be here.
She's running around.
This is probably the biggest thing happening in LA. Oh, look at this. We got a band. It's kind of nice to see what's going on, you know, before everything kicks off. All the festivities here. There's the Alphabet Restaurant. They were talking about that on the news. No expense spared, bringing Palisades Village back to its glory. We have a video with Cash before the fires where we were here. So that's on my channel.
Look at this babe.
He's friendly.
Hi, are you going to be our new neighbor?
There you go.
Who's this?
This is Oliver.
Hi, Oliver. Hi, Oliver. Hi. Hi, I'm so happy we have you as a neighbor, Oliver.
Aw. So sweet.
Yeah, he's a good boy.
I can tell.
Very gentle dog.
Yeah. Aw.
Hi, Oliver. right. There's so many people.
Yeah, we're getting him used to people. I adopted him back in April, and he didn't get out at all. Now I take him everywhere I go.
Good.
And he gets a little nervous about it, but he's doing so much better.
You're perfect. You're such a good babe.
So nice. Nice to
Enjoy
meet
your
you.
day.
Thank
We'll
you.
see you around.
Thank you. Let's see.
What's the big puppy?
Yeah.
Dane.
Yeah.
Hi.
Oh, he's really leaning on me here.
That's good. Friendly?
Oh, very friendly. You can pet him.
Always get the smell first, and then pet.
Sure. Wow, look at this. This is just beautiful. Let's take a little look around here.
Yeah, that's a big dog. That's a good looking dog. It's a great Dane. Those are nice dogs.
You want to say hi? He's friendly. Here we
Good
go.
looking dog.
Thank you. He might just wander around a little, but he's very gentle.
That's a big one, huh? Yeah.
Scooby-Doo.
Is that your classic Great Dane? Is that what-
Yeah. I adopted him, but he was a show quality dog.
Oh, really? Good. It's a good looking dog, huh? You want me to go over there? Nice.
We'll be around.
All right. Enjoy the day.
Thank you, you too. Come on. I think there's a lot to see over here. You know, we're going to make more than one video, so. Yeah, we're about 15 minutes away from the actual ribbon cutting. So we'll make several videos over here, what we can do. And I said, hopefully Eric shows up. That'd be awesome if he brought Rowdy. I'd probably give him a call and just tell him, you know, if you can somehow manage it, I think he can find a place to park. But it's up to him. Wow, look at this big stage setup. But then off in the background, you can see the construction going on. I mean, it's hard to imagine that all of this burned down. But the village itself had its own private fire department, and they were able to save most of it. So, but it's still got a facelift. So, Rick Caruso is a perfectionist, and I think he's made LA a better place. I really think he would have made a fantastic mayor. But politics is what it is. I know when I had cash, I brought him to this area over here, this grassy area. Stay. Okay, come here. Come on.
But why would she give us
Amazing.
Oh, thank you.
Hi, baby.
He's friendly.
Hello. How old is he?
He's 3.
Baby, you're just 3. You should see my 10-year-old miniature
Oh,
Dachshund.
yeah.
You're so gorgeous. What's his name?
This is Oliver.
Oliver. How much does he eat?
He's a huge eater. I had one that was bigger than him, didn't eat as much as this one.
What does he
So he gets a big bowl a day. My other one ate twice a day. This one eats once a day,
Okay.
but a big bowl.
Fresh food or kibble or?
Kibble.
Kibble.
And a big bowl is like a pound. More.
Well, yeah, well, we go through 50-pound bags. The other one did it in 2 weeks. He does it a little bit quicker than that.
Well, you're a big boy.
Yeah, he loves to eat. He's got great appetite.
Does he need to have lots of exercise?
Yes, yes,
So is it running or just lots of walking?
everything.
Everything.
Yeah, if I
You run with
unclipped him, he'd be 35 miles an hour.
Well, thank you for the pleasure.
But not like
of
running
your
away. He would just be
company.
having fun, kind of
Sure.
running. So,
Thank you for the pleasure, Oliver.
sure.
Have a good one.
You too. Come on.